Welcome to another iPhone 101 episode. Today we bring back our Canadian correspondent, Nick DamBrosio. We sent Nick out in search of more single-finger double tap and hold gestures. And just as Nick has done in the past, he came back and brought us some gems. So sit back and enjoy these 3 tips and tricks on how the single-finger double tap and hold can make your iPhone experience more efficient. Take it away, Nick.
Hi everybody, it's Nick DamBrosio and I'm back once again to give you some tips and tricks for your iPhone. I got more single finger double tap and holds up my sleeve, so let's begin. Number 1, if you need to get to your drafts quickly and efficiently, all you need to do is open up your email app and find the compose button and double tap and hold. Let me demonstrate. My email app is already open, so we're going to do a 4-finger single tap on the top of the screen.
Mailboxes. Heading.
And the compose button is located on the bottom right of the screen, so a quick way to get there is the 4-finger single tap.
Compose button.
And from there, all I need to do is double tap and hold.
Drafts. Heading.
Now that saved me a lot of time. Let's swipe to the right and explore the page and see what else we can find.
Cancel button.
Self-explanatory, cancel button. Let's swipe again.
New message.
Now if I'd want to start a new message and start from scratch, I would double tap. Let's swipe again to the right.
Previous drafts. Heading.
Here would be a list of all of my drafts, so let's swipe to the right one more time.
Pete Lane. The 3-finger free for all.
Well, here is my draft to Pete, and if I would make any additions or continue to work on it, all I would need to do is double tap and we're done. Number 2 is the reader option. Now we've all been on our phones surfing the internet and heard the infamous words, reader available. What is it? Well, in a nutshell, it basically takes a lot of the garbage in an article and gives you a clean version of it without any ads or pesky interruptions. Now, I'm already on a website, cnet.com, and the reader option has come up. To find this button, all I would need to do is a 4-finger single tap on the top of the screen.
Reader button. Actions available.
And once I'm there, I would just double tap and start to read my article. But if you double tap and hold, a few options come up. So let's do that. Double tap and hold.
Alert. Automatic reader view.
Now let's swipe to the right and see what the prompt says.
You can use reader automatically on individual websites or on all websites.
Pretty self-explanatory. Let's swipe one more time to the right.
Use on cnet.com button.
Now if I wanted to use this option only on this specific website, all I would need to do was double tap, and every time I would come back to CNET and an article had this option available, I wouldn't need to find a button. I'd just start to read my article. Let's swipe one more time to the right.
Use on all websites button.
Now, if I wanted to bypass this whole process anywhere I go on the internet, basically that's the button you got to press. Double tap and you'll be reading articles in no time. Number 3, getting to the desktop version of a website in Safari. Now, if you think all things were created equal, you're wrong. The desktop version is slightly different from the version we get on our phone. And in some cases, the desktop version has a lot more content. But no fear, I'll get you there. All you need to do is open Safari. Let's go to a website. I already have one loaded up. Let's see where we're at.
Address. blendabilities.com.
Now we're going to swipe once to the right.
Reload button.
And now we're going to double tap and hold on the reload button.
Alert. Request desktop site button.
Just as easy as that. All I would need to do now is double tap and I'd be on the desktop version. Let's swipe one more time to the right and see if there's another option.
Reload without content blockers button.
Now, if you have content blockers activated in your phone somewhere, this is a cool way to toggle it on and off. But be careful. I venture a little caution before doing so. But if you feel confident enough, do so. Anyways, I hope these tips and tricks are helpful. I'll see you guys next time. Back to you, Pete.
This winds up this short presentation in our iPhone 101 series. We want to thank our Canadian team member, Nick DamBrosio, for doing his double tap and hold mining. If you have any tips or tricks on the single finger double tap and hold or any other iOS gesture or feature, shoot us an email at info@blindabilities.com. And for more podcasts with a blindness perspective, check us out on the web at www.blindabilities.com. We're on Twitter, and download our free app from the App Store, Blind Abilities, 2 words. Thanks so much for listening, and have a great day.
When we share
what we see
through each other's eyes, we can then begin to bridge the gap between
the limited expectations and the realities
of blind abilities.
The realities of blind abilities.
For more podcasts with a blindness perspective, check us out on the web at www.blindabilities.com, on Twitter at blindabilities, download our app from the App Store, blindabilities, that's 2 words, or send us an email at info@blindabilities.com. Thanks for listening.